everyone, welcome back to the DIY series of Ale Sisters. So today we are transforming this old muddy boring pot into a very beautiful flower pot. You can see it's a very boring pot and it's very dirty. So to transform it, we are using this spray. You can use any color spray you have. We are using the white spray paint to cover all the uneven spaces on the pot. We would spray each and every side of the pot so that all the muddy surfaces are covered with the beautiful vibrant white paint. Spray, spray and spray. So now we are moving towards the next DIY project of ours. It's a very cutie patootie small pot. You can use any watercolors you have. I have these Dreher watercolors. I would take one of these colors, a very beautiful orange tangerine color, and transform my pot. I would take any brush you have, you can take it and you can use any color you want. It depends upon your choices and your preferences. You can take any color of your choice and just bring your creativity out. And here I am covering all the surfaces with the orange tangerine, beautiful bright color. Paint, paint and paint until your pot changes into your desired color. You must focus on your painting skills so that you can paint your pot very beautifully. And now I would take my first pot which is totally dried up, and now I'm gonna use acrylic clear spray to bring a very beautiful shine on my beautiful pot. I would spray the paint on my pot. As you can see, the pot is already shining. We would repeat the same procedure with our small pot and make the shine. And as you can see, both pots are shining brightly. To decorate the pot, I am using different nail colors, nail paints. You can use any color of your choice. In the white pot, I would be start making using this red paint color, making small hearts. As you can see, because of my white paint which I have sprayed on, the red is looking very beautiful. Here I am painting small bitty head hearts on my pot. Just cover the pot with small hearts. Now I'll be using the blue nail color. OMG, the pot looks amazing. Now moving towards the second cutie pot, I'll be using dark blue color to make small polka dots on it. These polka dots are giving it very beautiful color. Polka dots are never out of fashion. So now you can see our pots are looking so pretty. They can be used as decorative pieces. They can be put on any table, any study table